What's up, everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video. It's been a while again, but I'm back and better than ever. Today we're going to be going over the change log for the new update, which is not new anymore, but new to me. In version 1.8.0, we have added a Greenville lake, 2 central parking areas, one is decorated for Christmas, and we also have lakeside houses and a cliff area. Added 6 new cars, the 2015 Terrain Traveler Sport SUV Luxury, the 2019 Bitsy Traveler SUV Luxury, the 2019 Strucker Agalagu Truck Regular Luxury, the 2020 BKM Leipzig Hatchback Luxury, the 2020 Overland Navajo SUV Luxury, the 2021 Stuttgart Banuk SUV Regular, and the 2022 Falcon Rampage Sport SUV Regular. ECS to all cars with TCS ability. This keeps your car more controllable when fishtailing on the road, more noticeable with faster cars, and added Christmas decor to the dealership. Let's get into it. Log in. Now, I'm always using mobile, but I am going to do a video on my phone, like about how Greenville is on my phone, because my iPad is humongous. It's the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, so it's really nice to play Greenville on, but I just want to see how it is on a smaller screen. So we're gonna be looking at that in a future video. Happy holidays from the Greenville team. Got a Ford Raptor, Honda Passport, and we got a Nissan Rogue. I don't like the backlights on the Honda Passport. It just looks too small for that big of an SUV. Then we got the Ford Bronco over here. Very nice. Love how the tree just like glitches as you go by it. So you can see we got trees out here. A whole bunch of decorations at the dealership. It's quite incredible. Anyway, let's get into the cars that were added. Just a disclaimer for this video in the future, if there are any vehicles in this list or future lists that are added to the game that I cannot buy, I will still be going over them and all the colors they come in and all the trims and rims. Just I might not be able to afford them, but all the vehicles that I can afford and do enjoy, I will be reviewing in person with top speed tests. Anyway, the 2022 Falcon Rampage Sport comes in only one trim, the Barons trim, for $38,250 MSRP, with the carbonized gray painted 5-spoke rims. It also comes in the carbonated gray painted steelies. Colors are Cyber Orange, Cactus Gray, Oxford White, Rapid Red, Shadow Black, Kodiak Brown, Iconic Silver, Area 51, Carbonized Gray, and Alto Blue. Let's see this vehicle in person. Okay, so this is the Ford Bronco Sport in person here. Very nice. I personally love Fords, especially the Bronco. Very nice. Hop in. Got some nice LEDs. Headlights. Signals. Reverse lights. And also, there's like a whole new setup for mobile now. We actually have a parking brake, which is like life-saving. Like, thank God. Do little skids with it now. Might do like a drifting video at some point. That'd be really neat. Anyway, let's go for a top speed run on this vehicle. The Ford Bronco Sport maxes out at a speed of 129 miles an hour. Let's move on to the next vehicle. So next car that was added is the 2021 Stuttgart Brook. This comes in a couple trims. First up, the Sport trim for $55,450 MSRP with the 13 spoke rims. The Sport line Midnight, which I personally own for $57,000 with the 13 spoke rims. For colors, we have Rose Gold Metallic, Polar White, Denim Blue Metallic, Iridium Silver Metallic, Night Black, Galaxy Blue Metallic, Mountain Gray Metallic, and Patagonia Red Metallic. Let's see this vehicle in person. Okay, so here is the Mercedes GLB in person. I personally love this like night mode trim. Wow. I love this vehicle. It's very nice. I didn't even know that they were going to be adding it. Although I did see it on leaks a long time ago. Those LEDs that took a while to come on though. Tail lights, headlights, signals, which are really cool. Let's go for top speed run. The way this thing handles is actually quite good. It's a very nice vehicle. Okay, so it maxes out at a speed of 126 miles an hour. Less than the other, but let's move on to the next vehicle. So the next vehicle that was added was the 2020 Overland Navigio. Now this vehicle comes in a few trims, starting with the Latitude trim for $27,500 with the multi-spoke silver rims. The Altitude trim for $32,400 with the 5-spoke black rims, which I personally own. And last but not least, the Latitude Plus for $28,800 with the multi-spoke gray rims. For colors, we have bright white metallic, hydro blue pearl coat, brilliant silver metallic, spitfire orange, granite crystal, diamond black pearl coat, and velvet red pearl coat. Let's see this vehicle in person. Alright, so here's the vehicle in person. I really love this Cherokee. I didn't get it at first because I didn't think that they did a very good job of it, but then I got it and I was like, ooh, they actually did do a really good job with the detail with it. Very nice vehicle. Headlights, taillights, signals, reverse lights. So let's go for top speed run. Skirt. Okay, so the Cherokee maxes out at a speed of 127 miles an hour. Let's move on to the next vehicle. Okay, so next vehicle is the 2015 Terrain Traveler Sport, which is also known as the Range Rover Sport. This vehicle comes in only one trim, which is the SRV trim for $94,300 with the multi-spoke black rims. This vehicle comes in silicon silver, eager gray, Ferenz red, SRV blue, alpine white, midnight black, and Anne tree green. Let's see this vehicle in person. Okay, so this is the vehicle in person. Very beautiful. Love this thing. I'm pretty sure they're gonna add the Discovery Sport at some point. I really liked the Velar. I should kind of like it more than this, but for some reason the Velar they had like orange on it, and I didn't like it. It was a certain trim. But anyway, headlights, tail lights. Holy, that's a lot of exhaust. Signals. Let's go for a top speed run. This thing's not too bad of a handler on the road, but it could do a bit better though. Very good handler, just sometimes a little hard to drive. But it's still very good overall for sure. Okay, so it maxes out at a speed of 151 miles an hour. Let's move on to the next vehicle that was added. Okay, so the next vehicle that was added was the 2019 Stuttgart Allego. This vehicle comes in a couple trims. The start trim is the 2.3 liter pure for $34,861 with the steely rims. The 2.3 liter Pro for $41,570 with the 6 twin spoke rims. The 3.0 liter Power Midnight trim for $60,121 with the 2-tone rims. And last but not least, the 3.0 liter Power for $59,364 with the multi-spoke rims. This vehicle comes in off-road gold metallic, polar white, denim blue metallic, wow, love that color, iridium silver metallic, night black, galaxy blue metallic, mountain gray metallic, and Patagonia red metallic. Let's see this vehicle in person. Okay, so here's the truck with my personal specifications. I love this vehicle. Let's hop in. Start up with some LEDs, headlights, taillights, signals, reverse lights, kind of basic for the back, but this is like my favorite truck in Greenville, other than the GMC. Hit up here for our speed test. Okay, so it maxes out at a speed of 125 miles an hour. Let's move on to the next vehicle. Okay, so the next vehicle that was added was the 2020 BKM Leipzig. This vehicle comes in a couple trims. The 4-wheel drive 2.0 T Sportline for $43,600 with the default Sportline rims. The all-wheel drive 2.0 T M for Performance for $64,300 with the default M Performance rims. This vehicle comes in Seaside Blue Metallic, Glacier Silver Metallic, Misano Blue Metallic, Sunset Orange Metallic, Storm Bay Metallic, Black Sapphire Metallic, Lebron Red Metallic, Mineral White Metallic, Alpine White, and Phytonic Blue Metallic. Let's take this car for a test drive and see it in person. Okay, so this is the next vehicle in person. I actually really like it. It's very nice. Taillights, headlights, signals. I absolutely love this vehicle. It's so like nice and like zippy to just drive around town here. Wow. Okay, so getting up to speed here. This vehicle maxes out at a speed of 137 miles an hour. Okay, so the next vehicle that was added was the 2019 Bitsy Traveler. This vehicle I did not purchase because I personally did not like it, but it comes in one trim for $48,300 with the 5 twin spoke rims. You can also get it in the 15 spoke rims. This vehicle comes in True Blue, Pure Red, Royal Gray, Crystal Silver, Light White, Cosmic Blue, Absolute Black, and Oxford Green. Now, let me show you the location of the lake, direction by direction. Okay, so we'll get to the lake. You're going to want to pull out of the dealership going to the left, and then turn right here. There is an entrance to the lake over there, but today in this video we'll be showing you the main entrance. So just up here you'll start to see signs. So you're gonna turn right here. And then up here you're gonna take another right at the Greenville Lake with some nice beautiful Christmas decorations. And then head up here. And this is the lake. Got a parking lot. All these decor. Super, super nice. Christmas tree. All these shops. It's really neat. And you can equip skates. Go skating. Jump like this. As you can see right over there is the waterfront houses. If you turn in at the 6 houses and then turn right at the end of that road, then you'll see them. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been another successful video. We are at 14 subscribers, going strong. Thank you so much. It's been Brace Place. Peace out.